Good day and hello, this is Santos from Affiliate Monkey. You are in the right spot. If you're here, this video is specifically for you because you are interested in winning a $50 gift card. It is an actual gift card, physical gift card, so if you win it, I'm gonna need your address so I can mail it to you. So yes, there is a catch. You are correct. There is a catch in order for you to win the gift card. And what is that catch? So I'll let you know. So what I want is for you to join our community. That's number one. And number two, to participate. So what do I mean? So we got away from Facebook. Since last year, the development team has been working on our own community, Facebook type community, and we have, most of the same capabilities of Facebook, but it's our own. It's native to us and it belongs to us. Doesn't belong to Facebook, it belongs to us. So what I want you to do is, at the end of this video, depending on what platform you're watching it, if it's YouTube or you receive an email, you are at the end of the video, there's going to be a clickable button. Let me say that again. I messed that up. A clickable button. Sorry. And in the actual video, or it's going to be a link in the description, like always you do in YouTube. So when you click that link, you should come to this page. So this page here, we have information on the $50 gift card. Like I said, just join the group and participate. So join the group, click and join the group, just fill out that information, confirm that is your email. You have to use an actual email, and that's it. So then I need for you to participate. So how do you participate? So you can post content. I've been posting a lot of content, like I said, since last year. This has been worked on, but it was launched in January, and since then I've been posting blog posts and for just content for you. In addition to that, let's say the worst thing that can happen is that you don't win the gift card, but you belong to a community of entrepreneurs that we are all concentrating in making money online. And when you hit courses here, there's 12 courses for free. I opened them all. I was gonna sell them or lock them and give them one at a time, but I opened them all, so they're all for free. And these are not just those cheap courses that you get online and they're not worth it, because I have purchased plenty of those. So you see there's a lot of modules here. So this is even if it's only, for example, one module, it's look at this one, it's over an hour. So there's a lot of content here, a lot of information that is very useful. So it's for you for free to have. We have resources. You can also check all our resources. You on the member area, you can check the member. You can text them, you send them a message and you converse with them, and we're gonna have a leaderboard. So this is how I know how you participate. So if once we hit the $250 members, no, sorry, no, $250 members, 250 members, once we hit the 250 mark, then I'm gonna do the random pick. So I'm gonna do the random pick within the first 100 people on the leaderboard, which means that you have participated, you have contributed to our group. So that's basically it. Those two things is what I need. Okay, so join our community and participate. That's it. Okay, if you have any questions, you can go to here, Affiliate Monkey, and there's a contact form there. Okay, so thank you for being here and you have a good day.